Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I've said it before, I'll say it again. You never know what's in a piece of wood until you start cutting into it. But I think this piece of maple has some beauty in it. So, little piece of maple today. It's about 6 inches across. It's only 1.5 inches deep, so it's going to make a little mini trinket tray of some kind. But I feel like it's going to be a stunner. Back over to the lathe for a little piece of, let's see, little piece of hopefully gorgeous. Come on, all right. That's not quite the middle, but close enough. Not quite the middle. I think I might just do that. That's nice and simple. Easy, quick, simple, outside. And I don't hate it, so move on. close to you. Do you say, do you do? When it all comes down, I don't want to come back down in this house. Taking me all this time to find out what I needed. I don't want to go back down in this cloud. Taking me all this time. There's no blame, only shame. Let me beg, just the same. More I come, more I try. All the needs of every noise. So am I, so's the future, so are you. Do you say, do you do? When it all comes down, I don't want to come back down to this house. Taking me all this time, find out what I need. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't want to come back down to this house. Taking me all this time. What did you come down? What did you come down? Come down. I don't want to come back down to this cloud, this cloud, this cloud, this cloud, this cloud, this cloud. I feel like that's got her. I absolutely, like, if I went through the bottom of this, I would be livid. Because this is too pretty to be risking it. Let's sand it up and have ourselves a pretty wicked looking thing. Wood is awesome. Wood is great. The sapwood running down the one side and the yep. I was right. That's a beauty. Oh, yep. Yep. That is another stunner. Mother Nature, you do some wonderful, wonderful things. And that is another one. I just helped a little bit right at the end. This is all natural. It never ceases to blow me away when you get into a piece of wood and you find these beautiful, beautiful things. It's just little, but it's gonna pull a bunch of attention. That's for sure. It visually is more weighty than its stature, if you will. Oh, beauty. That's it for this one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. Yep. That's a thing that the earth made. That's a thing that the earth made. Be kind to each other, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you next time. All right.